Yes, Lord Sugar.
Nhasi tauya nabosi wedu National PC.
Yes.
ZANU-PF has become the most vibrant party.
Yes.
Not only in Harare,
Yes.
but Zimbabwe at large.
Zimbabwe at large.
Wakatarisa age group yatiri kuattracta kumaita district yedu, they are ranging between the age of 19 and 35. 70% yevanhu vari pano, they are between the age of 19 and 35.
Saka kuraundi mayuth ari kumusangano oye!